I just got to the walk down to Shifen Waterfall now, and I'm going to show you what it looks like walking towards the waterfall. This is one of the most popular places to come in northern Taiwan, so it'll be good to show you what it looks like. So let's get down there, show you the walk there, show you the waterfall, show you what it's like. This poor dog obviously lives here and it's sick of everyone getting in its way. It's barking at everyone. It just wants a bit of peace, I think. No wonder the dog is going crazy. I just saw some kid walk past it and wave a ball at it. This is the way you have to walk to the waterfall. You have to go over this suspension bridge here. There's a lot of suspension bridges in Taiwan actually. So we're going to walk over this bridge now. Shifen something bridge. Everyone's paused for these to take a photo. And here we go, over the bridge. And like all suspension bridges, it is wobbling up and down as I walk across it. That's what it looks like below the suspension bridge. It is well shaking. When you enter these suspension bridges, it always says it has a limit of how many people can come on it. But I don't think anyone pays any attention to it. It's well swinging now. I don't know if you can make it out, but this side of the bridge is rocking side to side. I'm not afraid, but it is a little bit crazy walking on it. Your legs are a bit weird. And look at all the people coming over the bridge. There is a lot. So we are walking to the waterfall now. This one says be careful, it's slippy. The Shifen Waterfall is one of the main attractions here. So people come to Shifen mainly to be close to the train tracks when the train passes. The lanterns, where you can set off lanterns and write on your wishes on the lantern, and to see this waterfall. Those are the three things I would say people like to come to Shifen for. It seems like the sign that we followed sent us the wrong way and we went to the wrong bridge, but we have seen a nice little waterfall. I'll show you it now. This is not the main Shifen waterfall, but I didn't see this the last time I come here. Looks quite nice. We wouldn't have seen this if we didn't come the wrong way. And we have to go to this bridge here. That's the bridge we were supposed to go to, which also looks like a suspension bridge actually. So there you go. Small waterfall. Unexpected. For some reason we followed the signs. It took us on a weird route. But now we are on another suspension bridge. This is not the same suspension bridge as the last one, so this is the second one we've walked across now, and it's still shaking as much as the last one. That is a significant feature of a suspension bridge, I suppose. There's a big golden retriever, look. We just came down those stairs there, and we still have some walking to do. We're still not at the waterfall. We have some walking to do yet. There's some swings over there, look. Check that out. Those are groovy swings, them, aren't they? What I think you need to know is, if you're not good with stairs, I don't think you can come here, because I didn't see any access for like disabled people or anything. I didn't see any lifts or anything like that. There's loads of stairs like up and down. So if that's an issue for you, don't come here. There's a little butter over there, look. There's a bar. Smells of barbecue here. There's smoke everywhere. A bar. I'm not sure they mean a bar as in the sense of a bar back in England. Seems like it's a food bar. But it is barbecue, look. Check it out. Barbecue. all this is on the way to the waterfall, and I believe when I come here with my mum years ago, there was not this many shops here. It's become so touristy, this area, like more than I've ever seen it. There's a slow dawdle to get through here. I have finally made it to the waterfall. It is massive and there's loads of people here, man. Just the walk here, I don't recall all those shops being here last time. There you go. This is Shifen Waterfall. This is from a high viewpoint, but I am going to walk lower down. This is what I saved me battery for. And look at all the people. It's crazy how busy this area has become. I've never seen it so full of tourists in all my life here. But the waterfall is fantastic. Looks so powerful as well. Just got to another viewpoint higher up again. Look at that. That is mega, isn't it? It's a great waterfall. This is probably one of the best ones I've seen in Taiwan. A shame you can't go in the water, but I guess it's too strong. So there's lots of different viewpoints of Shifen Waterfall, and we are walking around a trail called the Viewpoint Trail or something like that. But now we're going to head back down to the bottom, get some viewpoints from there. Also, look how green the area is where this waterfall is. Look at how green the landscape is. Look at that. Isn't that amazing landscape? I just got to another observation point on this waterfall observation trail, and look at it behind us. This is the viewpoint here. That is a mega viewpoint, isn't it? It's good that they give you lots of different viewpoints of this waterfall. You can walk all around, you see. So I guess I have to walk back up there with my tendonitis legs. We'll just power on through it. And there's the big waterfall there, look. That is amazing, isn't it? Truly amazing. I am currently at another viewpoint now. There it is behind us. I'm under a bit shelter because actually, even though the waterfall is all the way over there, you're getting splashes of water, and the view from here is also great. And this viewing point has two sections, where I am now and a down bit there. So I'm going to keep the camera rolling, and I am going to go down to the down bit now, but I'm going to have to be careful because it's slippy here. It's slippy here. So we'll go down to the down bit, and you can actually feel the water from spraying you from the waterfall. And this is the view from as low down as you can get. I believe this is the lowest point you can view this waterfall. So this has been Shifen Waterfall. This is one of the most popular attractions in northern Taipei. Today it's cloudy, but actually, even though it's cloudy, the waterfall looks magnificent. It's great. There's some force in that, like, you can see how strong it is from here. So this has been me showing you why Shifen is so popular, and I'm going to end the video here with this waterfall behind us. My battery is nearly dead, and later I have to plod my way up those stairs with my tendonitis legs because I've done them in cycling, and they're getting better, but they're not perfect yet. They're not back to normal, but they're improving. And that is the waterfall behind me. One last look at this waterfall, because I won't be coming back here for a while. I don't come here very often. I just come because this week's a holiday and I thought it would be a nice place to come. I didn't expect it to be so busy, but it is. So if you like this video, give us a like, give us a thumbs up. What do you think of this waterfall here in Shifen? Would you come and visit this area? Let us know, and I will see you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.